Today was really tough, huh? Our teachers seem more demanding than ever these days. Yeah, Mr. Thayan seemed especially angry today. He looked furious when I ran out of class without asking. Hmm? Am I okay now? Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks for checking on me and taking me to the nurse. You didn't get in trouble with Mr. Thane, right? Thank goodness. I hated if you got told off because of my problems. What? What are you saying? No, there wasn't. You must have been seeing things. I didn't cough any. Didn't cough up any blood. I mean, that bathroom always has graffiti in it, so maybe you were seeing some red marker. Yeah, I'm fine. I promise. I just. I need some rest. You want to do homework together in my apartment? But I mean, I would like that, but I prefer to work alone. No, that's not right. I'm not making excuses. You've never really been in my place before. You've always gone to yours, and I haven't had time to clean up, so I don't want you to think I'm a slob. I know you don't think badly about me, but I can't help but worry. Well, it's okay. You can come over if you want to. You didn't make me uncomfortable by asking, really. You just caught me off guard. That's all. Yeah, I'd like it if you could come over. All right, here we are. I'm sorry about the mess again. It doesn't look very messy to you. Oh, thank goodness. Ah, right. I should go grab us some snacks. You can set up here in the living room. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. I got us some juice and chips. I went shopping the other day, so I have snacks to spare. Of course, I remembered your favorite kind of chips. You're my best friend after all. Yeah, I'm glad that we're friends too. How about we start on our work? We have a lot of stuff to get through. Yeah, Miss Curie gave us a huge assignment. It's not too bad. I can work through it. Do you know how this would work? Oh, thanks. I'm fine. We should focus on homework. Is this too boring for you? We can play video games after we're done. If that's okay. You just enjoy being around me. Ah. Thank you. Hmm? Oh, that variable goes over there. Okay. There you are. You've got it. I'm curious. Are you doing anything this weekend? Huh? Really? That transfer student asked you to go somewhere with them? Oh, where? Oh, you got paired together for a class project. I see. What do you think of them? Yeah, I think they're nice too. I just well, I want to be friends with him because he looks pretty cool, doesn't he? No, I'm okay. Don't come close. I'll, I'll be, I'll be right back. No, please, stay back. I can't. Wait, please. Don't. Hold me, please. Just hold. Just hold me. I didn't want you to see me. This. You're seeing this, right? They're rose petals. It was just petals at first, but last week it became a full flower, and then today it was a stem. I guess you can see since the bathroom is covered in petals. This has been happening for a while. I went to a doctor, but they it's called Hanahaki disease. Yeah. I thought it was just a legend too. But I guess it's true. Who is it? I can't. I can tell you because they would never love me back, and I've known them for so long. It wouldn't be right. They're so stunning and funny and so kind. But I don't want to get it removed either because this feeling, it's so painful but so warm. I don't want it to go away. I don't know what to do. I don't want to ruin what we have. I don't want to lose you. I mean, I didn't. I just misspoke. I actually. Okay. I'll take deep breaths. Yes, it's you. You're the one that I like. I'm sorry. This is why I didn't tell you. I didn't want you to see me in such a pathetic state. You're right. It started with a transfer student entered our school. You like them, don't you? I should just give up and have the surgery so that these feelings don't get in the way. Huh? Oh, could I not think that? No, but I saw you. I saw you two in the hallway. I see. I'm such an idiot. It's just... You said that, right? I'm not dreaming. So it can develop psychologically too. You really like me back. You promise. No take-backs. I don't know why, but I just feel so happy. I'll be fine. My throat, it feels okay now. I'll be fine after a rest. You wanna take care of me? I would absolutely love that. Okay, I'll go see the doctor again tomorrow. Alright, I'm sorry for worrying you so much. And thank you for always being here for me. As long as I can stay right by your side, I'm happy.